Hello guys. Once again, welcome to Semenshia Farms, and my name is Fred. You, yes, you wants to be a millionaire through farming, through poultry farming, through goat farming, through cattle farming, through catfish farming. Yes, that is possible, but I want you to hold your horses because there is a huge distance between achieving that millionaire through farming. And I know there are a lot of videos and content on YouTube that is telling you that yes, you can become a millionaire through farming, through your poultry farm, through your goat farm. I want to be honest with you, but I don't think that journey, I'm seeing that journey from my livestock farm. Yes, I've seen that journey from other businesses that I'm into, but to be honest guys, I've been doing farming for quite a while. I started with cattle farm, and then I moved to poultry farm, and now I'm doing goat farm. I'm thinking about starting my pig farm. And really, if I look at the African continent and how things are unstructured and the way prices are not controlled, it is very hard for you to achieve that, even breaking even. I've had poultry, about 6,000 birds for about almost 2 years, about 100 weeks, and I'm hardly breaking even. So I'm not even making enough profit to be able to head towards that millionaire journey. And that is why in this episode, I want to challenge us to really think a bit different. Because yes, I believe that the African market is huge. The opportunity in agriculture is huge. And that means that yes, there is that opportunity for you to become a millionaire. But there is a reason why your mom, your dad, your uncle, your grandfather who have been farming for so many years is not a millionaire. It's not even close to where you are. So if you go into it with the same mindset, if you go into it doing things repeatedly and expecting to see different results, then that is not going to happen. Yes, so people, I don't blame those who think you can make or become a millionaire from farming, but I'm here to challenge you that if you believe that, that's great, but you got to think differently, especially the youth, especially my brothers and sisters that are living outside the continent that wants to come into agriculture. Because I know most of you are watching this video, and therefore I want to challenge you that yes, it is possible. If you look at the data, if you look at the percentage of food that we even import from Russia, from Ukraine, right, from China, and you want to produce that here, then you're on your way to that millionaire. But you need to put on a different lens. And this message is to all of you that want to go into agriculture. Going into agriculture doesn't mean that you need to be the guy with the goats, or you need to be the guy that looks after the poultry farm, or you need to be all hands. There are so many different ways that you can be in the agric business without even owning a farm, without even owning a single livestock or having even a single plot. I am very excited that nowadays I've been seeing a lot of initiative even here in Africa. I have a friend who actually started a company called Trotro Tractor, and he's basically built an app that he's using, right, to connect people with tractor to farmers. That is an agric business. That is a business that there is a lot of potential. Right, I've seen another company as well that is bringing investors money and investing into farmers, so that when the farmers reap what they've sold, they'll be able to pay the investors back, and they also take a portion of that. That is another smart agric business. Again, I've seen another Ghanaian guy who actually is building sort of this investment portfolio and actually putting together a farm that people can sit anywhere and be part of that farm. Whether it being like a pineapple farm, mango farm, cattle farm, whatever farm, he just has a big land, he raises money, everybody can be an investor of that farm, and he gives them update of what is going on at the farm, and basically you can sit in the US and own a farm in Ghana or wherever that you are and own a farm. Those are creative ideas, guys. Those are some of the ideas that is going to take you to that millionaire journey that everybody on YouTube are talking about when you go into agriculture, right? So I want us to today, I want to encourage you, I want to challenge you. Today I'm a preacher, so bear with me, guys. But I want to really encourage you, especially those of you living abroad, that don't come to Ghana and fight with your neighbors on one plot. There is so many creative ideas that are happening in the Western world. Bring those innovation here. I know you have passion for agriculture. I know you want to do agriculture, but you don't have to come and hold a machete. You don't have to come and drive a tractor. Come and do something different, right? And that is what I've really been thinking about it. To me, my journey is to make sure that every livestock farmer has a brachiaria grass, and we can change the way that we do livestock farming in Africa. I want to be able to reduce the conflict between Fulani herdsmen and communities by making sure that we change our mindset into intensive farming. And that is my mission. And therefore I'm sharing everything that I'm doing here, and I'm marketing the grass to everybody. I know in Kenya, in Uganda, I'm going to Uganda very soon, and I'm taking a lot of grass with me because a lot of people in Uganda have been asking me for it, and I'm going to take it to you guys. And I have access to that because of the exposure that I have, right? And that's why I'm really encouraging you guys living abroad, you educated people that have smartphone all the time in your hands, make use of it. If farming is what you want to do, if agriculture is what you want to do, start thinking outside the box. Think outside the box. Stop thinking about just owning a goat, owning a cow, owning a poultry farm, owning this. No, there are so many ways that you can make money. A lot of people that even contact me and say, Fred, I'm starting the farm. The first idea that I give to them is, if you're starting a farm and you're going to buy chicken or goat or whatever, also buy a camera. Buy a camera and record everything that you're doing. Someday somebody is going to come pay you. Somebody's going to come pay you for your knowledge, and you will have videos just to hand over to that person, right? Someday anything can happen. Put yourself out there. Even if you're not going to do anything, build your market online before your eggs are ready, so that the moment your eggs are ready, you have a market that you can sell to. And there is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with me selling you guys goats. There is nothing wrong with that. You know, I'm in this goat thing for business. I'm doing poultry for business. So if I buy a camera whilst I'm doing goat farming, and I'm sitting here talking to you guys every single week and day, releasing video, and you guys enjoying that videos, enjoying that knowledge, that's okay. That's beneficial to you. On my side, if I'm selling my goat and I bring it here and I carry my goat and say I'm selling a goat and somebody buys it, there is nothing wrong with that. You know, so there are so many ways of farming, guys. There is so many ways you can make money from agriculture. And I want to challenge you guys to start thinking outside the box. Start thinking about innovative ways that you can enter the agri business with. You don't have land, and therefore you've been pausing and you've been giving that excuse for so long. Today I'm here to tell you that you don't need a land to be in the agriculture business. So start thinking, start looking at what other countries are doing, and bring it here, bring it home, and come and innovate. Bring something that I would need, that I will come to you to buy. Just like recently, I started an agro shop, and if you guys haven't visited, that is not cool. Come to the agro shop. It's right in Achimota, opposite the Achimota DVLA. Even if you ask the security man at the Achimota DVLA that you're coming to Farming in Africa agro store, he will just point you there. Come and visit us. I'm mostly there on the in the evening, so come and visit us there. We have everything. We have vaccination. I've imported machines from Italy, from US. I have feed. Everything that I use in my farm, I've made it available as well, so that people that know me and wants to go into farming can go there and get what they want. Nothing wrong with that. That's part of agriculture. I am in the agri business, right? So I want to encourage you guys as well. I don't need to be the only one with agro store. If you think you're in a country, you are surrounded with agriculture, materials, products, whatever, come and start another agro store. I will market it for you on this channel for free. But I want to encourage you guys to innovate. Let's come in. We are so behind. There are so many things we need to do in agriculture. So many things. And therefore, I want to push you guys and challenge you to think around it and come and let's do it. If you don't have a land, it's not an excuse. You have knowledge, you've gone to school, you have technology, you have internet. Come, reach out to me if you need any help. If you have an idea and you want to pass it through me to see, I will give you my feedback. I'm happy, you know, again, to share whatever knowledge that I have with you. By the way, my team and I have also put together 5 things that every farmer needs to know before you go into farming. So go ahead, go to www.farminginafrica/mistake, right? And then, yeah, go there. It's a PDF. Download it for free and share it with your family and friends. Read it as well, because it's gonna really help you. These are things that I wish I knew or somebody had told me. So thank you guys so much, and I hope this video was helpful, but I'll definitely come your way again and share more videos with you.